What's the meaning of barrow boy? Barrow boy. Barrow boy.
Barrow boy. Barrow boy. Barrow boy is a term used to describe a street vendor who sells goods from a handcart or barrow. The term originated in London in the 19th century when goods were sold from handcarts in the crowded streets of the city. Barrow boys were traditionally associated with working-class culture and often sold items such as fruit, vegetables, and seafood. They were known for their loud and boisterous sales pitches, which could be heard from quite a distance. Today, the term barrow boy is sometimes used more broadly to refer to any street vendor or merchant who sells goods informally on the street, particularly in urban areas.